So again, I welcome you all for the thermodynamics lecture series. Today we are going to discuss a basic problems on first law of thermodynamics. So in this lecture series, we are going to see about what is first law of thermodynamics and what are all the basic problems behind in the first law. What is first law of thermodynamics? Okay, so that is, as we know, in a cyclic process, the net heat transfer which is equal to the net work transfer. So in a cyclic process, for a cyclic process, it would be said that the net work done which is equal to the net heat transfer. For a process we say that the change in internal energy equal to the difference between the heat added to the system and the work done by the system, or otherwise it can be said that Q is equal to W plus del U, that is delta Q is equal to W plus del U, where this heat transfer, Q is a heat transfer and delta U is your internal energy and W is your work done. As we all know the sign convention, when the heat is supplied to the system, the heat transfer is positive. When the heat is transferred out of the system or heat is lost from the system, then it is said to be negative. Then the internal energy is decreases, it is negative. When the internal energy is increases, it is positive. For the similar way, the work is taken out from the system, it is positive. When the work is given to the system, it is negative. With this, we move on to the problem. So problem 3, during the working stroke of an engine, the heat transferred out of the system was 150 kJ per kilogram of the working substance. Determine the work done when the internal energy is decreased by 400 kJ per kilogram. Also state whether the work done on or by the engine. Okay, so in this problem, during a working stroke of an engine, okay, when an engine is in the running condition, so at the running condition in the working stroke, the heat is measured there. Okay, the heat is measured, that is heat is transferred out of the system was 150 kJ per kilogram. So as we all know the sign convention, when the heat is transferred out of the system, so consider this as a system. When the heat is transferred out of the system, Q is negative. So in the problem itself, they have said that the heat is transferred out of the system was 150 kJ per kilogram. So we have to write Q is equal to minus 150 kJ per kilogram. Then the second data given in the problem was internal energy is decreased. Okay, as the previous slides I have discussed that if the internal energy decreases, we have to put minus. If the internal energy increases, we have to use plus sign. Because here it is decreases, so you have to write internal energy delta U is equal to minus 400 kJ per kilogram. Then what they ask in the problem, so determine the work done. Okay, what is work done, and also state whether the work is done on or by the engine. Okay, by finding out the work done, by seeing the symbol whether it is plus or minus, we state work is done by the engine or work is done on the engine. For that, we use first law of thermodynamics for a process. Okay, so consider in a working stroke is a process. So in that process, what is your first law of thermodynamics? So first law of thermodynamics is Q is equal to W plus del U, where this Q is your heat transfer and W is the work transfer and delta U is your internal energy. So this heat transferred out of the system is given in the question, so it comes of negative sign, which is of 150 kJ per kilogram. Before substituting in the formula, you have to check whether all the values are in the same unit. Q is in kilojoule per kilogram, that is 150 kJ per kilogram. Heat is transferred out of the system, so we can write minus 150 kJ per kilogram, which is equal to, we need to find it out work done, and internal energy is decreases. So internal energy is decreases, so minus 400 kJ per kilogram. By solving the simple equation of first law of thermodynamics, we can obtain work done equal to 250 kJ per kilogram. Okay. Then our second question is, we need to state whether the work is done on or by the engine. Okay, since the sign is positive. Okay, so since the sign is positive, the work is taken out from the engine. Okay, the work is taken out from the engine, that is work is done by the engine. The work is done by the engine. If work is done on the engine, you have said it is negative. Here the work is done by the engine, so since the sign is positive. So here work done is 250 kilojoule per kilogram, and the condition as they asked in the question, work is done by the engine and it is not on the engine, since our value is in positive condition. Problem 4. During one cycle, the working fluid in an engine engages in two work interactions, 15 kilojoule to the fluid and 44 kilojoule from the fluid, and 3 heat interactions. Here we are having 2 work interactions and 3 heat interactions. Out of 3 heat interactions, 2 of which are known, 75 kilojoule to the fluid and 40 kilojoule from the fluid. Evaluate the magnitude and direction of the third heat transfer. So here in this problem we are having 2 work interactions and 3 heat interactions. Okay, that is work done 1. What is work done 1 is 15 kilojoule. First you write work done 1 is equal to 15 kilojoule to the fluid. The work is given to the fluid, that is system. You consider this is a fluid as a system, so it is 15 kilojoule to the fluid. So 15 kilojoule to the fluid, work done is negative, so you write work done 1 is equal to minus 15 kilojoule, and 44 kilojoule from the fluid. Here W2, so it is from the fluid, this is from the fluid, so you have to write positive 44 kilojoule. And 3 heat interactions are there, 2 of which are, that is you consider this as Q1. So Q1 is 75 kilojoule to the fluid. So to the fluid Q is positive, and 40 kilojoule from the fluid. So from the fluid again it is negative. So we can write Q2 is equal to minus 40 kilojoule. What we have to find, evaluate the magnitude and direction of the third heat transfer. That is, we need to find it out, Q3. And also we have to state the condition whether it is to the fluid or from the fluid. By seeing the sign convention we can say whether it is to the fluid or from the fluid. Again we can use the first law of thermodynamics. For a cyclic process, for a first law of thermodynamics, summation of Q is equal to summation of W. That is, for a cyclic integral, the net heat transfer equal to net work transfer. Here the net work transfer is, here we are having 2 work interactions, so I am adding W1 plus W2, and here we are having 3 heat interactions, so I am writing Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. So Q1 as in the given data, so Q1 is 75 kilojoule per kilojoule, and Q2 is minus 40, and we need to find it out Q3. W1 is minus 15 and W2 is 44. Very careful in the sign convention while substituting these equations. Okay, then by solving the simple equations you get Q3 is equal to minus 6 kilojoule. Here Q3, so Q3 indicates heat transfer of the third interaction. So Q3 is equal to minus 6 kilojoule. This negative sign indicates heat rejection. Okay, so it is rejection from the fluid, that is heat from the fluid. Okay, so from the answer you can write the heat is rejected from the system, or we can write heat is from the fluid. There is heat to the fluid and heat is from the fluid, so you can write the heat is from the fluid. Q3 is equal to 6 kilojoule and the magnitude is negative, so the heat is from the fluid, you can state. Thank you.